Nobody knows the value of your assets more than you do. Introducing eClick by MultiLock, a remotely programmable key platform. You're in control. You choose who has access, where, when, and for how long. Allow access for just a few hours or months. It's up to you. Retrofit your existing locks within minutes, getting premium access control features for a fraction of the price. Protect your assets without a massive investment. In the office or on the go, simply use the Click Connect app. Ease and convenience. Full access control. Get eClick by MultiLock.